Naka-receive ka na ba ng iyong Shopee Affiliate Commissions pero hindi mo lang alam kung paano ito i-acknowledge para ma-withdraw mo yung iyong commissions? Don't worry because I got you. So today, I'm walking you through kung paano ba natin i-acknowledge yung ating Shopee Affiliate Commissions para ma-withdraw na natin yung ating kinita. Madali lang ito, promise. Kaya tuturok sa inyo yung step-by-step process. Bago mo ma-withdraw yung iyong Shopee Affiliate Commissions, kailangan na i-acknowledge muna natin yung receipt ng ating commissions. Dahil this is just a Shopee's way of ensuring na lahat ng mga transactions ay legit para maiwasan din natin yung mga disputes and errors pagdating sa ating Shopee Affiliate Commissions. So, kapag hindi mo ito nagawa, ay hindi mo makukuha or hindi mo mawi-withdraw yung iyong commission. So, kaya importante talaga na i-acknowledge natin yung receipt. So, step 1 ay i-open lang natin yung ating Shopee app. And then, dyan sa ating Shopee app ay makikita natin sa pinaka-bottom yung Me. So, parang dyan yung human icon. So, i-click lang natin yung Me. And then, scroll up lang natin. And then, dun sa more activities ay makikita nyo dyan yung affiliate program. So, i-click nyo lang itong affiliate program, and then dyan sa affiliate program ay makikita nyo yung inyong performance, kung magkano na yung estimated commission nyo for a particular period of time. So, makikita nyo sa pinaka-bottom yung offer, conversions, income, and then account. So, i-click lang natin yung income para makita naman natin kung magkano nga ba yung ating commissions or Shopee Affiliate Commissions for a particular period of time. Tapos, makikita din natin dito ano pa yung mga pending na hindi pa natin na-acknowledge. Now, let's go to the exciting part, which is yung pag-acknowledge natin ng ating Shopee Affiliate Commission. So, dito ay meron pa akong isa na pending or hindi pa na-acknowledge. So, makikita nyo dyan na meron dyang nakalagay na mga pending. So, ibig sabihin nito ay ito yung mga hindi pa natin nare-receive na mga commissions. Tapos, kung yung pending na to ay meron tong nakalagay na exclamation point, ang ibig sabihin nito ay hindi pa natin na-acknowledge yung receipt ng ating Shopee Affiliate Commission. So, i-click lang natin ito. Nakita nyo yung arrow. I-click nyo lang yung arrow. And then, meron kayo dyang nakikita na date. So, itong date na to ay from December 23 to December 29. And then, yung commissions ko dito sa time na to ay 353.92. So, meron ka dyang makikita na commission income. And then, pag clinic mo yung commission income, ay makikita mo dito yung seller commission, Shopee commission, and then yung total eligible commission mo. Tapos, meron din itong taxation-based amount, which is kung magkano din yung total eligible commission mo. And then, meron dyan nakalagay na total EWT or ito yung expanded withholding tax, which is 39.33. And then, yung payable commission mo ay 353.92. So now, pag clinic mo naman yung income breakdown, ay makikita mo dito kung ano or magkano yung kinita mo doon sa pag-share mo ng affiliate links sa iyong mga social medias. So yan yung income breakdown. And then makikita mo dyan yung receipt. Naka-indicate dyan kung ito ay acknowledged or ito ay pending acknowledged. So i-click mo lang yung pending acknowledged and then makikita mo dito na nakalagay ay please acknowledge system-generated receipt if it's correct for you, and you can also reject and upload it by yourself. If you don't acknowledge or reject within 3 days, system will acknowledge for you automatically. And then, meron dyang nakalagay na system-generated receipt. So, i-click mo lang yung PDF file na yan. So, makikita mo tong acknowledgement receipt. Now, kung tama na itong commission mo na to, ay ang i-click mo lang dito ay yung acknowledge. Now, kung hindi naman correct itong affiliate commissions mo na to, ay pwede mong i-click yung reject button and then mag-upload ka ng tamang receipt. So, once done, your commission will move to the withdrawable balance. Ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Now, once na ito ay ma-verify ni Shopee, ay ita-transfer na ito sa ating Shopee Pay. So, dyan naman sa Shopee Pay, ay dito na natin pwedeng i-withdraw yung ating mga Shopee affiliate commissions. Here are some tips para ma-ensure natin yung smooth transaction. Number 1 ay make sure na yung inyong bank account details ay tama. Number 2 naman ay make sure lang din natin yung ating Shopee Pay account ay ay verified ni Shopee. And then number 3 ay check lang natin yung ating emails palagi dahil nagsisend si Shopee affiliate ng emails kung saan pwede na natin i-acknowledge yung receipt ng ating Shopee affiliate commission. So here's a reminder, the more consistent you are, the faster you can grow your earnings. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more Shopee tips at mga tips din kung paano tayo kikita habang nasa bahay. Let me know in the comments magkano ang iyong first commission. Thanks so much for joining me today and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone and I will see you around. Bye!